Now that's a good one there. That's a beauty. Hey guys, Chris Midwest Bass Hunter, finally back in Iowa. Gonna hit this gravel pit out here. New pond, we've never fished this before. I know a guy that caught a 40-inch pike out of here, which is unheard of in a little lake this size. So we're gonna come out here and check this out. We got the kayaks out today. See if we can hammer some bass in here. So today I'm gonna fish almost exclusively with this chatterbait. It's a Jack Hammer. ZMan Evergreen. This thing's really expensive. I'm gonna fish with it today, see if it's really worth it. Whoa! There's a deer. Good Lord. That was crazy. She must have just been laying there sleeping. I spooked her. There's a fish. Finally! There's a little dinker. He's not too big, but we'll take him. First one on the Jack Hammer. I'm gonna take a picture in case I don't catch any more. The wind is really tough today. Just can't stay where I want to stay. What do you think of my brush anchor? What? Oh, there's a fish. That's a good one. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a little bass. It's a little bit better than the last one.
Oh, you already got one?
Just one. Feisty. It's a good little chunk. On the chatterbait Jack Hammer. It hasn't been totally killing it, but got a couple good bites. All right, we'll let this guy go. There's one. Come on. This little pike. Catch and release. Let him go. Oh, there's a fish. There it is. What do we got? Oh, I hope I don't wrap him up on this tree. Oh, it's a little pike. Little pike. Well, there's a release. See how bad he tore up my bait. Not too bad. Oh, I thought that was a good bass. Nope. Oh, little tiny bass came up and took a swipe at it. Right at the boat. There's a fish. Let's see what we got here. Little bass, little dinker. Hooked him good. There we go. Need a fat one. There's a fish. That's a pretty good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good bass. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Nice chunker. Jack Hammer. Just choked it. Bite's been really slow, but been able to get a few good ones. Couple good ones really, and couple other dinks, but we'll take them. That's a nice fat one. Good chunky bass. Let's see how long she is. Probably about 16, 17 inches. (17-incher). Oh, 16 and a half. She's been fanning the bed, getting ready to spawn. All right, let's let her go. Nice. So I'm catching everything on this Jack Hammer. Chatterbait Jack Hammer. This is that $17 bait, real expensive. I don't know, it's done well today, but the bite's been really slow. I'm not sure it would make any difference if I was using a regular chatterbait or this one, honestly. We'll keep throwing it though and see what happens. There's one. Oh yeah. Whoa, that's another good one. Back-to-back cast. Oh, come on, stay on there. Stay on there. Yes! Is that? No, it's not the same fish. God darn it. Just caught her right on the corner of the mouth. She kept part of my bait. Now that's a good one there. That's a beauty. Pretty much back-to-back casts on those. Close your mouth. This one's 18 inches. That one's 18 inches. That was a nice fish. $16.5 and an 18-incher back to back. Beauty. All right, let's let her go. Splashed me. Well, that was a pretty good little flurry there. 2 casts. 34 inches of bass. Tore up my trailer. See if I got another one in here. There's a pike following it. Eat it. He followed it right up to the boat. Oh, he spooked off. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Did all right. Caught a couple of nice ones there at the end. Back-to-back casts, so that was cool. A couple of dinks and a couple of pike, so that was not too bad for a day out fishing. So used the Jack Hammer all day today. It's the only bait I used. You know, it did its job. It did pretty good. The bite was really slow, so you know, it's hard to judge a bait on whether you would have done any better with the regular chatterbait or not. I honestly think I probably would have caught all those fish with the regular chatterbait, just like I did with that one. So just for the price, I don't know if I'm in on that bait, but I did do a review of that bait. If you want to check it out, I'll put a little link up here so you can see that. We got some underwater footage of it. Looks pretty sweet. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell so you don't miss anything. Lots of good fishing content and fishing gear reviews. So thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.